Alrighty, so we are going to hook up the second pump for the other side of the Rabbitry, and we're going to show you how we're getting it all set up. So this is the pump we're using. It is a waterfall pump, 2000 GF. Tubing size is 1 inch and 1.5 inch. And the reason we got it is because it's ideal for pumping up to 10 feet. And we needed something that can pump up against gravity to go along the Rabbitry. So we're using this threaded to glue side. What size did you say? 1.25 inches. And that's going to thread into the top of the pump here to connect to this bushing that's going to go in there. So it goes 1.25 inches to 3/4,
3/4 to half,
and then 3/4 to half bushings. Alrighty guys, so we officially finished the new Rabbit waterer. So let me show you the final product here. We have 2 trash cans, one for each side of the Rabbitry, and this is the pipe that the water is pushed through, and it comes across the back side of this cage. Why is it so blurry? There we go. Across the back side of this cage, it comes down all the way across and back into the trash can. This is what the setup looks like inside the Rabbitry. Like I said, we have 2 trash cans. This one runs this side of the Rabbitry and this one runs this side. That way each side has 32 gallons of water. And like I said, this is the, if we open it up here, this one goes down to the pump, and then this one here is the return. And we have it set so it's about a quarter of the way up, and then we can hear it if we need to refill them. So that's just a really nice bonus. And it's set up the same way on both sides. So it comes up from the pump, around the back, and goes all the way down, and we looped in that little coop at the end there because we have a bunny in there. And then it comes down and across the back side of these cages and back to the trash can. So it's a continual loop. So my hope is with the thicker PVC pipe and the nipples being directly attached to the PVC pipe. Here, let me show you. So the nipples are directly threaded into the PVC pipe instead of it being a downspout like my old watering system. I'll link it up here for you guys somewhere and you can check out the old system. I'm hoping that when in the winter time we put heated water or a water heater in with the pump, that it's circulating through will be enough to keep it from freezing like it did last year. So I'm crossing my fingers and I'm hoping that this works. But for right now, all of the bunnies are using it great. Nobody's having any troubles with it. So everybody has access to fresh water all day long without me having to come out here and fill up bowls a couple times a day. So that's going to be really great for them as it gets hotter here. Hello, guy. Alrighty, so if you guys have any questions about how we did this setup, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you know when new videos are up on the channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.